It is publicly known that positive strides are being made and much is in motion to demolish our current prison facility and have a new one constructed. Just a few weeks ago, the United Nations Office for Project Services, or UNOPS, made a visit to St. Maarten to assess the project and met with stakeholders where fruitful meetings were had and some agreements are currently in the pipeline to be signed. With these positive developments in motion, my delegation and I, along with representatives from the 4 ministries of justice within the kingdom, all made a visit to the prison of Boneiru. The construction of this prison was finalized in August 2018. With the construction of our new prison ahead of us, it was determined or seen as a very valuable experience to visit the prison. Much insight was given as to what is possible in this region. We also gained some insight into possible pitfalls in the trajectory of building a new prison in the Caribbean, and we look forward to be able to have that continued relationship with the director and others who were involved in building the prison in Boneiru. Another interesting aspect of minds for the Ministry of Justice is to have a halfway house and supportive programs established on St. Maarten. For this, I was quite elated that my team was able to make arrangements for us to visit one in Boneiru. On Thursday, June 30th, I started off the day having a very fruitful visit to Fundashon Krusada, or Fundashon Krusada, where guidance is provided and work projects for inmates, former inmates, and former substance abusers. It is also a halfway house for former inmates and provides guided living for at-risk youth, as well as shelters for women. Overall, the foundation of Krusada can be considered as a great example of what re-socialization and guidance opportunities are possible on small islands.